How to allow camera and microphone access to Instagram on PC. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. Open up your web browser first and head over to Instagram.com. And once you get here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you are logged in, you just need to go ahead and tap on this little site information right beside Instagram.com and then click on it. Then head over to site settings. And once you get here, just make sure to reset permissions first and then go to camera. It will ask by default, so if you want to allow it, just tap on allow and then go to microphone and then tap on allow again. You could also allow motion sensors, notification, as well as your location. Now, once you've done that, you can just go back to Instagram and then reload this page to show the updated site settings. So you can go here and check. As you can see, camera and microphone permissions are allowed. So you can use your camera and microphone freely right here on Instagram's site. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.